What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Moonriver, which has pumped up over 75% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just under $18. So we're going to be looking at what is its next target, can it potentially hit $20 by the end of the year, and also going into 2024, what can we expect from Moonriver? Is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late, or should you wait for it to drop down a bit lower to buy into it? And also looking at its targets for 2024, how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Moonriver, which is here in purple at $8.31. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over $18, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange lines looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Moonriver is an overall fluctuation in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Moonriver should essentially be trading around the $18 mark is what I'm expecting. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up above $19, near about hitting $20 over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around $18 in the early hours of tomorrow. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected, but do expect it to be quite volatile as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days the blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the fact that they are looking quite steep means it's not realistic, and the only reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Moonriver to be heading over $20 in value. Reason for that is before it hits $20, it is likely to drop back down to around $14 to $15 over the next couple of days, so over the weekend and early next week. And then by mid to end of next week, it should pump up above $20 is what I'm expecting. So do expect quite of a wave. Do expect red days and then followed by green days by end of next week. But again, at the moment, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, especially that over the week itself, it has gained over 160%. We did see a major pump here on the 21st as well, so 2 days ago and earlier today. So overall it has been performing very well, pumping from $6.60 to right now over $18, nearly hitting $20 as well. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Moonriver. However, that is not what I'm expecting, because it is looking way too steep and is not realistic, just like the previous chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, February 2024, I'm expecting Moonriver, even though yes, right now I'm expecting it to pump up over $25 to $30 around February to March 2024. Before it does that, it has to go through a price correction, meaning dropping down to around $10 over the coming week or two, and then slowly starting to gain value above $20 potentially hitting about $25 by February next year, February to March. So Q1 of 2024, it should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. But before that, do bear in mind that it has to go for a price correction, meaning it has to drop down below $10 by very late December or early January. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for it to hit the resistance target here, it needs to hit $58, which we are not even close to at the moment. So potentially Q2 to Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Moonriver to be hitting the resistance target and heading into the green zone. But at the moment, it is going to be stuck in the red zone, and it is going to take quite a while for it to hit the resistance target and potentially break out. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on the crypto as well. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Moonriver to go in 2024. Some people have said it's going to hit $100 and so on. However, I'm not expecting that anytime soon, due to the fact that to hit $100 is going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Moonriver at the moment. And also guys, as you guys can see, over the month it's pumped up near about 200%. So right now the crypto is overvalued. So as I mentioned earlier, it has to go for a price correction, meaning dropping back down in value towards very end of December and early January as well. So if you guys ask me what is the highest target or price value I'm expecting Moonriver to hit in 2024, I would say about $35 to $40 by mid next year. And depending on how the crypto market performs, for example, if it goes for a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that, then of course it may be able to hit about $50 to $55. But as I mentioned earlier, I will keep you guys updated on the crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 75% in the last 24 hours, making it $217 million in trading, due to the fact that it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it. So a lot of people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.